Why the pull tab do me like that? It did me some dirt. All right. What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. I'm back with another video today, man. And you know, we've really been on the roll on the channel, man. I'm talking about like review after review after review. And again, man, when you come to the Mud Talk Radio channel, you're getting a little bit of, you know, what's going on in the sneaker community, but at the same time, you're getting a glimpse at what I really like. This sneaker that I'm bringing to the channel today is not only one that's really popular today, but it's also one I really like. And I got my hands on it early, man. So you're getting the first glimpse at a sneaker that doesn't release for another week or so, if I'm not mistaken, at the time of recording this video. But y'all about to see right now. All right, man, so we ain't gonna play around too long on the channel today, man, because I got a lot of stuff to bring y'all this week. But Nike dropped the pack off for me. I think it's been a couple of days now. So, you know, a lot going on this weekend, but it's time to get to it, man. Hey, man, so I got the box right here, man. And again, Nike, man, they hit me up with a pretty simple box. You know, I think my dog might have got into it right here, man, but hey, we ain't gonna worry about it. He ain't get all the way in the box. So at least we about to find out if he damaged the box on the inside. All right, so we got the pull tab, man. Of course, gonna make this one easy for you. I promise y'all I ain't do that on purpose. Pull tab. Pull tab is janky. It's supposed to go straight across. All right, bet. Don't even worry about it, man. We got that. They put some industrial level glue on this joint, but it's all good, man. So as you can see, you know what time it is, man. You see the flight on the box. You know what's in this box, man. So the box reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. The colors are white, fire red, and black. We're gonna open the box. Man, nice little, I don't really pay too much attention to boxes on this channel, but you know, you got the red interior on this box right here. And again, woo, the standard Nike Air Jordan 4 paper. And here we have, man, the Nike Air Jordan 4. The streets are calling these the red cement. Take a look at them jokers, man. Hopefully that's in focus. Hey, man, for real? I can't even cap. These, they clean. They clean. I know I say that a lot. Just the initial reaction after pulling them outside the box. Listen, Air Jordan 4s are super popular right now. It's debatable whether it's the most popular silhouette in the Jordan, you know, lineup right now. It's rare that you'll see an Air Jordan 4 sitting on the shelves. The Jordan 1 has kind of tapered off where you're starting to see those sit on the shelves, even after having a pretty dope release recently that we want to get into on this video. But you're just seeing Jordan 1 sit. You won't see an Air Jordan 4 sitting unless it's probably in the kids section. Or around my area, we don't see Jordan 4 sitting. And you can see why, man. This is a beautiful shoe. And again, my initial reaction just looking at this is that the leather is top notch. I mean, it's premium leather all the way across right here. All right, so I got the second shoe right here. And we're gonna get it in focus, and we're gonna do a full 360 of the shoe real quick. And again, I keep telling y'all, don't worry, Fancy Table will be here soon, because man, y'all been subbing up, man. Y'all been subbing up, man. For real. Shout out to the new subs. See the back, boom, side. And then again, we got the front. Kind of struggle with that, but you see it, man. Let's talk about it. All right, man, so we got the sole of the shoe as well. As you can see, it's standard Jordan 4, pretty much the same, man. It's really not much, and I'm trying to figure out what that is, man. I just pulled it straight out the box, man. All right, Nike, y'all been doing good, but nah, they did good on this shoe, don't worry. But you got the black, the red, you got the cement, you have the white. And again, man, the sole of a shoe can be really dope, but nobody's gonna see it. I just like to show it to y'all because I think it's pretty cool to look at it before, you know, it hits the dirt and it gets dirty and all of that stuff, so nice. So let's get into the pricing of this shoe. Again, as I spoke about earlier, I actually hit, shout out to the sneakers app, man. I got exclusive access to these sneakers early, so I was able to get them in hand, all in all, maybe like a week and a half before they actually drop, but I actually purchased them 2.5 weeks before they drop. So the sneakers app looked out for me, man, with some early access on a Jordan 4, which is pretty cool for me because I don't think I've hit on a Jordan 4 on sneakers in a very, very long time. So this was very, very dope to me. And the fact that it's a red cement 4, which I've seen videos on because everybody do the early pairs and things like that. I personally like to get my stuff from Nike. No shade to nobody, but I feel comfortable when I'm getting my shoe from the manufacturer and not from somebody. And so the fact that I was able to get these and not have to wait, I'm bringing it right to the channel to give y'all, man, an early look at the Air Jordan 4. The price is $210 retail. That's exactly what I paid. You can anticipate this shoe probably going up in price just because it's a Jordan 4. You know we gotta bring styling tips to the channel, man. If you're one of those people that, you have every pair of Jordans that came out for the last 20 years, shout out to you, man. But one thing I've noticed in the sneaker community is that there's a disconnect between the shoe and actual fashion. The sneaker has a big part to do with it, but you gotta know how to put it on. You gotta know how to put it together. You gotta know how to make the shoe stand out and not just throw on anything with it and have a kind of outfit that just like you got it off the mannequin at DTLR or something like that. Listen, your pants rotation is gonna be off the chain for these shoes, man. The versatility is crazy for a Jordan 4. You can go wide leg, you can go skinny. Honestly, man, there's a lot of different ways that you could do this shoe, man. I tell people all the time that my personal preference is to dress a shoe up and to dress a shoe down and to be able to throw on jeans with it. It's just different ways. I'm personally not wearing these with no shorts. And I'm kind of biased to not wearing shorts like that. I wear shorts with like slides or certain shoes, but you gotta put on some pants with these Jordan 4s, man. Like, I think it's mandatory that you wear pants with Jordan 4s. And really, your top, you can go crazy. There's a Raw Melon hoodie right now at rawmelonclothing.com, man. Go get that hoodie. It's gonna go perfect with these Air Jordan 4 red cement. My rating for this Air Jordan 4 red cement, and it has been up and down because I've seen other videos on the shoe and I was kind of like on the fence, like, did they put the red in the wrong spots? Because if you know the original fire red 4s and what they look like, I actually have a pair myself, and I was starting to think about like how the red looks on those versus how the red is gonna look on these. But I had to also tell myself, this is a completely different shoe. You'll begin to start thinking about this shoe being mid if you think about your fire red 4 and compare it to this. But at the same time, this is in a league of its own. So I'm gonna give this shoe a rating of an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for the Air Jordan 4 red cement. I believe that it's worth 8 out of 10 just because the leather quality. It's a Jordan 4. It's gonna sell out. It didn't come with any alternate laces, but that's cool. Still, I'm gonna go 8 out of 10 because this is Jordan 4. This is fire. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So I gave you pricing, I gave you styling, we unboxed and gave you guys an early look at the Air Jordan 4 red cement right here on the Mud Talk Radio channel. What I need y'all to do next, man, is hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button. Right now, man, we walking down 1,000 subscribers, man. I need everybody to pull up on the channel and tell a friend to tell a friend and tell a family member to pull up on the channel and support your boy. If you want to connect with me, man, link is in the description box to my Instagram at the Mud Talk Radio Show, and to my Raw Melon Clothing page also is in the description box. So if you want to go check out my merch on Instagram, the website to rawmelonclothing.com is in the link in the description box. So go check me out. Let's connect. Let's continue to talk sneakers outside of YouTube, man. But as I say always, man, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.